Imagine a new employee starting work on a Monday morning. They are ready to help the organization, but spend their first day waiting. Someone still has to install applications, create accounts, configure email, and map the printers directly onto their specific physical computer. This delay happens because of a specific architectural choice. Most organizations force the entire working environment, the files, the applications, and the communications, to live completely compressed and locked inside a single physical machine. When every computer operates as its own separate island, the results are duplicated data and isolated files scattered across the office. It also means that the same manual setup process must be repeated from scratch every time you hire someone new. For nonprofits and service organizations, managing technology one isolated machine at a time is a significant drain on resources. It pulls critical budget and staff time away from the core mission. Treating every computer as its own isolated workplace creates uneven security across an organization. One device might be updated and protected, while another sitting right next to it remains vulnerable because it lacks the same local configurations. This model also makes routine support more difficult. Even a simple password reset or a software permission issue often requires a technician to travel to the building just to provide hands-on service to that specific hardware. These bottlenecks persist because the current operating model focuses on managing individual devices rather than managing the workplace as a whole. A modern digital workplace changes this architecture. Instead of living on the hard drive, the employee's work environment is moved into a managed, centralized environment. The laptop still matters, but its role changes. It becomes a secure window that an employee uses to log into and view their workspace, which is now hosted safely in the hub. This shifts the focus of onboarding. The organization prepares a digital environment based on the employee's specific role before they ever arrive, ensuring they have the right tools regardless of which device they use to sign in. Decoupling the hardware from the workspace eliminates the traditional waiting period. A new hire can access their fully equipped office in minutes from any approved device. This architecture provides immediate resilience. If a physical device is broken, lost, or stolen, the actual work environment and sensitive data remain untouched and secure in the central hub. Restoring productivity is straightforward. You provide the employee with another approved device, they sign in, and their intact workplace appears exactly as they left it. A centralized workplace also enables a remote-first support model. Because the applications and permissions are managed in one centralized place, technicians can diagnose and resolve most issues instantly without needing to travel to the office. On-site human support remains available, but it is reserved for genuine physical infrastructure needs, like office moves or equipment failures that require a hands-on repair. This approach protects business continuity while resolving the daily technology friction that slows down employees. Modernization requires active organization. Moving disorder into the cloud does not create order. The migration process involves identifying what information exists and deciding what should be moved. This is an opportunity to audit the environment, defining who owns which files, eliminating duplicate records, and setting data storage limits based on the needs of each job role. Structuring this information transforms scattered data into a controlled digital environment that the entire organization can rely on. This organized digital workplace serves as the structural foundation for an AI workforce. AI becomes effective when it has access to structured, governed data. This gives the system the eyes to see accurate company knowledge, customer history, and the specific context of your business. Similarly, the centralized structure gives the AI the arms to act. It allows the system to follow approved rules to execute workflows, manage schedules, and handle administrative follow-up safely. At IPPBX, we see a natural progression. Start with secure communications, integrate a centralized digital workplace, then unlock the AI workforce. Next is a modern workplace assessment to map out a practical, phased transition plan. Establishing a centralized digital workplace removes the immediate friction of today while securing the operational foundation you need for the future.